Bombay.
Peace. Yeah. Hieroglyphs on the tomb of the Savior that said he bounced. Fled the crime scene after his death was announced. Beware of those who try to appear devout, selling salvation in sandwich baggies by the ounce. It's a con game. It's hypnotic, they playing mind games. Compromised scribes who camouflage the divine names. Neurologic, without logic, they thinking crime pays. Symbiotic, maritime laws and aquatic mind frame. Like a fetus, they immature thieves and cheaters. Corrupt teachers with Pharisaic features.